1,000 I gave to you on Friday.
Okay.
Your friend came yesterday. She took some goods on credit.
She took some goods on credit.
Yes, ma.
Why would you even give her goods on credit?
Ma, but I called you before releasing the goods to her. You even spoke with her.
And why do you have to call me? Haven't I told you before not to call me when everybody comes here for credit?
Sorry, ma.
You're sorry. This is business now, Stella. I told you before. Anytime any of my friends come here for credit, please do not call me. In fact, pretend the phone is not functioning. Do you understand me?
Okay, ma.
You can go. Hey, baby.
How are you?
I'm fine, but this girl is just giving me headache.
Ozioma is not at work.
I don't understand. I dropped her at your office by myself.
No, she's not here.
Okay. Calm down. Please do not panic. Let me call her, okay? I'll get back to you.
Alright, just make sure you reach out to me when you get across her.
Hey, this girl will not kill me, oh. What is wrong with this girl? If she does not want to stay in the city, let her go back to the village now. I don't want all this stress, oh. Hey, God. Why is she not picking her call? Her phone is ringing, for goodness sake.
Hey, babe. She's not taking your calls? Where could she be? Ozioma has never acted like this before. Something is wrong somewhere. Okay, just keep trying her. Keep calling her. But reach out to me once she picks up, okay? A letter? From who?
So there is no description on the envelope.
Let me see. You can go.
All right.
Ozioma! 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 Could she have gone? Things are not even here. Ozioma!
Hey, so are you sure you're not with other girls? Oh, I'm the only one you love.
Carol?
Mother. Did you see my sister? No, ma.
You mean you did not see my sister when she came back from work?
Is she back from... No, ma. She's not yet back from work. No.
Now I know you are not always in this house when I'm not around. So this is what you do. Gallivant the whole estate looking for who to gossip with, right?
No, ma. Ma, I've been in this house all through today. I just finished my house chore. Just say, let me relax here. That's all.
And what are you doing now? Factory chores?
No, ma. Ma, I swear, I've not seen your sisters today. I've not been to anywhere today.
I don't have the time yet.
Hello? I'll call you back later. My mother just walked in. I'll call you back. Hmm?
Baby's calling me. Hey, wifey. What? How? She left without telling anyone? How could she do that? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. I'll be home in 10 minutes. Babe, I'm driving to you now. Just hang in there. Babe, I don't think you should call the village now. Let's give her more time. And if she doesn't return, then I'll know my next line of action.
I'm worried. Why would she leave the house with her stuff without telling me? God, if she eventually comes back, I'm going to send her back to the village because my body does not need stress. I don't.
But did you have a fight with her or did you scream at her? What really happened?
No. I didn't shout at her. We didn't have any fight. I mean, since she came to the city, she's been well behaved. Unlike the Ozioma I used to know back in the village. Very troublesome. So there was no reason. Nothing at all.
So why did she leave without proper information?
That's exactly the same thing I've been asking myself. Who does she know in the city? Where could she have gone to? I'm confused.
I hope she changes her mind. And I pray she comes back so we can quietly send her back to the village.
Okay.
So what do you mean by she's gone?
She's gone to an unknown destination, bro.
Sorry to hear that. It's really unfortunate.
Is that all you have to say?
What do you want me to do?
I told you that plan was messed up, bro. I told you the plan was messed up. You didn't do what we discussed, did you? No.
Well, I saw the risks involved. I decided to switch to plan B.
Now that's the problem. Switching to plan B is the problem. Since plan A didn't work, you should have just ignored everything. You should have just left me to my fate. Right now, everything is bad. I regret everything, bro. I do.
Well, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. It's really my fault. I thought it was the only option I had. I didn't mean to scare her away.
You should have just let me handle things myself. But now she's missing. My wife is nowhere to be found. Huh? You should have just let things be. After all, she's carrying my child. Right now, she's missing. She's refused to open her shop for like 7 days. Her sister is also nowhere to be found. I regret everything, bro.
Well, I thought that was the only option left.
Yeah, I know you.
I didn't know it was going to scare her away.
I know.
I'm sorry. It's my fault.
Yeah. I just regret everything.
Uzioma, wait. Uzioma, please, hold on and talk to me now. Uzioma.
Oh, Ndidi, could you please stop? Stop, why are you bugging me? What is all this distraction for? Thank you for bringing me to the city. As you can see, I'm enjoying myself and hustling, okay? Why are you disturbing me?
Uzioma, I've been looking for you everywhere. Why did you leave the house without telling me? What did I do to you?
You want me to tell you that I'm coming to hustle? I like your Kwambi foul. He make a taggy my customer Rachael Okonkwo. He passed like that without patronizing me. Please allow me. Allow me. This is hustling. Allow me to hustle in peace.
Okay, let's just go home, oh? Let's go home. If anything happens to you, what would I tell Mama and Papa?
What's your fear? No, what do you think will happen to me? Probably the men I sleep with will use me for rituals or something. Listen, don't worry. I'm not having unprotected sex. I'm that wise. So allow me to make money. Okay, I can't continue living this kind of life you're living. I need to enjoy myself. Inugo?
Please, Uzioma, please. Look at, you're even smoking. Eh? Look at how you are dressed. Because you are no one name. Let's go home. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If you want, I will kneel down for you. Or because one name.
If you decide, if you so wish, you can lie down for yourself, not me. You see the street called hustling, you won't distract me.
Hey, Uzioma, please.
Allow me now to concentrate and look for customers. What is it? I'll see you in the village. I said I'll see you in the village.
Uzioma.
Babe. What is it? Are you okay?
Baby.
What?
I saw Uzioma in my dream. She was dressed like a prostitute. I'm sure she didn't go out there to do prostitution.
Babe, listen to me. You just had a dream, okay? I'm sure you must have thought about her before going to sleep. So it's okay. Don't think about it, okay?
Okay. What's the time?
It's 6 p.m. Why?
6 p.m. and my sister is not back yet.
Oh, babe, listen. Your sister is fine. I'm sure she's fine. Wherever she is, I'm sure she's doing good. Okay? Don't worry about it. Listen, I promise to go to the police tomorrow to make an entry.
Okay.
And I'll ensure they find her. Okay?
But what do I tell my parents if something happens to her?
Babe, you worry too much. Come, let's go upstairs. Your sister is fine.
I can't even.
I have this strong belief that she's fine wherever she is. Put on yourself as well, babe.
Baby, I can't even rest.
Come, get up. You'll be fine. You worry too much. Let's go. Your sister is fine. Okay? Where's your phone? Stop worrying. The dream you had about her was just a dream. I'm sure you've been thinking about her. That's why. Huh? She will be fine. Let's go. She will be fine.
Hello? What are you saying? Look, calm down. Let me understand you. I can barely hear what you're saying. I can barely hear a thing. Stop crying. Hello? So what happened? Osama did what? Eh? Missing? Eh? How long? 2 days now. And you are calling to inform us? Wait. Have you reported to the police? What about her phone? Her number? Is it wait. Switched off? What about your husband? Does he know about this? Yeah? Hello? Hold on. Your mother is crying too, eh? I can't hear anything. Just hold on, I'll call you back.
My enemies have succeeded. They've used my daughter for ritual.
Oh, you shut up. Huh? Say what you know. Huh?
Mama,
Why are you crying? Your sister called. Uzoma, your sister is missing. For 2 days now. 2 days, and I just calling to inform us. Eh? What?
Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me?
Ma, you are creating sin already. People will start tripping in to ask questions.
Hey, Mama, stop crying. Uzoma is still alive. Stop pushing her dead.
Shut up! You don't know what it means that somebody is missing. I will not even be fair, Mr. Chotia. Hey!
Mama, calm down. It's okay.
Missing is different from death.
Hey!
She's still alive, just that she's out of reach for now.
Why did you leave
Mama, it's okay.
Why did you leave your mother?
Mama, it's okay. Calm down. It's okay. She's still alive. For 2 days now. For 2 days now.
According to Madam say the sister never go village. Say she go village. They say the sister no go village. So where she come there now?
I hope you are not asking me that question.
Who again are they ask? Not be you stand for my front here. Who again I go they ask another person here?
Let me ask you, what is the work of your village native doctors? All the witches and wizards in your community, have they repented?
Madam, I asked you about Madam's sister. You come they ask me about my village people. What's it concern my Madam's sister and the village people again for this matter?
Caro, you suppose go on a village. Go ask your ancestors where Madam's sister dey.
It don't reach now. You no fit dream again. You no fit dream again for you to tell us where our Madam's sister dey. Small time you go come. Caro, I dream you. No, try come here, come disturb me with this your stupid and nonsense
No wonder. If you tell me what they worry you, say na jealousy. Now I know say na jealousy they worry you. Now my fault say you no get gift of dream. Now my fault.
Wait. For your mind, you think say this dream where they dream na gift? Na lie yo, na fever. See, go your village, go carry medicine, drink and take care of yourself. Because if not, tomorrow, na mad person, you get a mad they go. I beg open this door, they go, I beg. Open this gate.
Your Excellency. Correct, sir. If I say I no go open this gate, what will you do? What do you go do?
You don't have a choice, oh. You want to lose your job? God go sack you. Now your job, so open up.
See, let me tell you, I am the incumbent security personnel in this house.
Sure
Mind how you talk to me. See, I will only open this gate for one reason.
Madam, you no get choice. Open up.
Get out! If you like, sleep for that market, don't come back on time. Come out here, I beg. No vessel, I beg if you don't come back, buy me okpa. Okpa enugu. Don't buy that okpa. See whether if you go enter this compound.
Baby, I hope you're opening the shop today.
No. Not while my sister is yet to be found.
Didi. Babe, listen. We have searched for your sister everywhere, and she's nowhere to be found. We can't continue to search for her. Huh?
Okay, but how am I going to sell in the shop when my sister I brought to the city is missing? What if she's dead?
Babe, you can't possibly know that. Your sister is not dead. Okay? Your sister is not dead. I'm sure she's going to come back. Listen to me. All we have to do is put her in prayers. Okay? And I'm sure everything will be fine. Everything is affecting me. It's affecting you. It's affecting your business. It's affecting me at my office. Do you understand? We need to put ourselves together. Biko, please. You have to open up your shop today. You need to sell off those goods so you can order for new ones. Where's my jacket? You need to do these things really quick. I have to go to work, okay? Take care.
Take care. All right.
I love, so hope you're okay.
He came back.
Don't stop. Ozioma. Ozioma. So you are alive?
Yes, so I'm alive and pregnant. Kedu?
I'm fine. Where have you been?
Okay, what does it matter? Ego Buma, look at you. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're pregnant. When? How? When did it happen?
Just sit. Just sit. Mama and Papa need to see you right now. Sit, I'm coming.
Congratulations to us. When did your own happen?
Mama!
Ikemba and I are now husband and wife.
Are you serious?
We have done the traditional rites, though we have not done the traditional marriage.
So no traditional marriage, no wedding. Mani dime. Okay, hypothesis. It's nothing. Don't worry. I'm happy for you. Oh, you're welcome to our family.
How is your husband?
Papa!
Yeah?
Mama!
What is it?
Papa! Uzoma has arrived.
Uzoma?
Yes.
Uzoma?
She's in the house with my wife. But she's heavy.
How do you mean she's heavy?
Mama, Papa, Uzoma is pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes.
What was the email?
No, let's go and see. Let's go and see. Go. Pregnant?
Yes. Where was the email?
So good to be home. I've missed this village. Hey. Oh my God. I think we'll get this our chair up here. So that we'll relax. Mama. Mama. Papa.
Uzoma is not double.
Uzoma,
Mama.
do you want to kill me?
How come now you surprised?
Ozzy, where have you been?
It's a long story, Mama.
Uzoma, I have two questions for you. And I need answers right now. One, where have you been all this while your sister and her husband have been looking for you? Where were you?
Papa, welcome me first now. Tell me welcome before you beat all these questions. Like I told Mama earlier, it's a long story.
Listen, if that is a long story, whose pregnancy is this?
My pregnancy.
Nai, please, just calm down. Have you eaten?
I'm not really hungry, Mama.
Excuse me. I'm asking her a very serious and important question, and you're asking her if she's hungry.
I know. Nai, she said it's a very long story.
Ozioma, whose pregnancy is this?
Mine.
She will tell us. You've heard her. It's a very long story. And you know she must tell us the story.
Don't bother.
Mama, I've missed you.
Oh my goodness.
Eh? Mama, Mama, I can't my face from where my pregnancy is not easy. Hey! It's not easy. Hi.
I've been wondering if you and your husband are medically okay.
My sister, we are. We've gone for a series of tests and there's nothing wrong with us. So we are perfectly okay. God is not just being merciful to me.
I won't have you talk about God in such manner. How dare you say God is not merciful to you? Huh? No. All you need to do is believe in Him. Believe in God. Have strong belief in Him, and He will give you child at His own time. Have you not heard about Anna in the Bible?
Why is everybody comparing me to Hannah? Why?
Nobody is comparing you to Anna. Nobody is comparing you to Anna. All I want you to do is to believe in God. Believe in Him like He is the last hope. Believe in Him like you don't have any other person to believe in. And just watch out. Things will fall into place. I assure you.
Priska, my husband's attitude has finally changed. He's not the man he used to be. Please, I need help. Is there any way you can take me to? I need solution to this problem.
So you think it's about jumping from one church to another, right? Huh? You think it's about jumping from one pastor to another? No. See, my dear friend, you have to be patient. Be patient and just hope in God. After all, He's the author and finisher of our faith,
I have run out of patience, my dear. I have.
You're not even sounding encouraging. You need to just be patient. Be patient. Patience is the key word. So, how is your husband? How's everybody?
Uzioma, why did you do this to your own blood sister who sheltered you in her own home? Why? Eh?
Uzioma, you've killed me. You have killed me. Eh? You have brought shame upon this family. Hey, what will people say? Eh? Uzioma.
Uzioma, are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very sure, and I can explain how it happened.
Explain what? No. Explain what? That you slept with your own blood sister's husband. Is that what you want to explain to me?
Papa, calm down. Let's hear her out. Uzioma, how did it happen?
He raped me.
Who raped you?
Jacob.
Jacob, my in-law, raped you. It's not possible. You are a liar. Jacob can never do such a thing. What are you talking about?
Now, how did you know? No, yes. Is she a kid? Won't she know who raped her?
Charity. So you believe this liar? You are believing this liar? It's not possible.
Papa, wait. Uzioma, is sister aware that you were raped?
No, she's not aware because I don't want to scatter her home.
So why did you run away from the house?
I ran away for my life. When I told Jacob I'm pregnant, he threatened to kill me.
And did he threaten you face to face?
Please, don't shoot me, please. Please, don't shoot me. I beg you in the name of God, don't shoot me.
Shh. I know you know blood is an expensive commodity, and I do not waste blood.
Please.
If you cooperate with me, I'm not going to kill you.
Okay,
Are
I
you going
will.
to cooperate?
Yes.
Good, good. You're pregnant for your sister's husband, right? She's not answering me. Answer me!
Yes! 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 Yes!
So why do you refuse to terminate it?
It's because I'm scared I might die. I've never done abortion before.
She has never done abortion before, and you're scared you will die. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? I give you 48 hours. 48 what?
Hours.
To remove this shit you have under her. Else, I'll kill you. And your family can't even find your corpse. Okay?
Okay,
What did I say?
You said I should terminate it, else you will kill me. My family will not find my corpse.
Thank you, good girl. 48 hours to terminate this shit. Say 48 what?
Hey, 48 hours to terminate this shit.
48 hours to terminate this shit.
48 hours to terminate this shit.
Keep singing it, baby.
48 hours to terminate this shit.
Okay?
48 hours to terminate the shit.
Now move.
48 hours to terminate the baby.
Go.
48 hours to terminate the baby.
Now run. Run! Cheap pilot.
That was what happened. I had to run away from the entire city to a different place altogether.
Hey, Jacob is a wicked man.
Very wicked, Mama.
Jacob has disappointed me.
Charity, don't say that. Don't say that. You don't criticize somebody until you have heard his own version of the story.
What else do you need to hear now? You did not hear what she said. Eh? If not that Ozioma is smart enough, he would have killed her.
Yes.
How are you sure Ozioma is not lying?
Mama, I'm not lying.
I believe you.
I'm not lying. When I told him I'm pregnant, he asked me to abort the baby. When I refused, he sent a thug to kill me. That was why I had to run for my dear life. Papa, I know you never liked me, so you won't believe me.
Mama, Papa, now that we have heard all that happened, what should we do? I mean, what are we going to do?
Hey!
I am responsible, but I never raped her. It was the devil. I don't know.
Jacob, how could you? How could you, Jacob? Why are you lying? Why are you lying, Jacob? You raped me. My beloved sister, your husband here, raped me. I remembered vividly on that fateful day when you were trying to have your way on me. I pleaded with you. I said, please don't do this. This singular act is going to tear my family apart. But you didn't listen. You went ahead and did everything as you so desired. After you did everything, when I realized I'm pregnant, I came to you. I gave you the results. You started pleading with me to abort it. But you know I'm a child of God. I can't abort my own child. I don't know if I'm carrying Pope. I don't know if this is Atezenukbo. I don't know. Mama, this your in-law is devilish. As if that was not enough, Jacob. You sent assassins after my life to kill my baby and I. That's even before he has sent one thug with pistol, threatening me to abort the child or the boy will kill me. What did I do to deserve all these things? Hey. That's why I ran away from the city, because he wanted to kill me. Mama, this is your first grandchild. Papa, this is your first grandchild. No, what would you rather have me do? Abort the baby?